In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to make money online promoting Digistore24 products. And I'm going to show you how to do this as a complete beginner. And as you can see right here, this is a quick overview from one of my Pinterest accounts. And you can see the performance of this account in the last 30 days. It has generated over 25,000 clicks to my affiliate link. And this is because I created high quality pins on Pinterest like this one, and this one. And I'm also going to show you how to create these high quality pins. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to pinterest.com to create a free account. Once you have your Pinterest account created, then you want to also create an account on Digistore24.com by simply clicking on the register now button to create a free account. Once your Digistore24 account is created, your dashboard should look like this, which is going to give you access to promote various products available on Digistore24. If you're not seeing this, all you simply need to do is to then click on the marketplace, as this is then going to bring you to this page. And you want to look for a product that resonates with a broad audience and also a product that people care about. An example of that is the dog product, because people are obviously passionate about their dogs. So all you need to do from here is to then type in dog in the search section. If you do this, this is going to show you all the available dog products that you can promote on Digistore24. As you can see, you are also going to see the commission you're going to get whenever you make a sale from each of these products. And now we are going to take this product here as an example, as this product is inexpensive and it's easier for us to make a sale promoting this product. So all you need to do from here is to first of all click on the sales page of this product. As you can see, this is a product for dog owners on how to train their dogs. So now, as you can see, this is a high quality landing page, which is definitely going to get a lot of sales. The next thing is to create high quality pins on Canva. And don't worry, you can do this yourself. You don't need to hire anyone off of Fiverr to do it for you. So once you come over to canva.com, you can also create a free account on Canva as well. Once you do that, you want to then come over to social media right here, and you want to look for Pinterest pin. So as you can see, this is Pinterest pin template right here. So once you click on this, Canva is going to provide you with a bunch of templates that you can use to get started and start creating designs right away. So you want to make sure to select any template of your choice. This is absolutely fine, but this is the one I just decided to go with. So once you do this, you can change the heading to something like this, dog training, and you want to delete this section. And keep in mind, you can change the color of this template however you like it. As you can see, this is one of the examples I showed you in the beginning of the video. You can see this is a very simple template. So to change the color, all you simply need to do is to click on the element, and you want to come over to this section, and you can change the color to whatever you want. All right. And also to change this color as well, just click on this section and you will be able to change this color as well. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to come over to element, and you want to look for arrows. All right. So if you type in arrows, you can basically drag and drop the arrows right here like this. And also you can change the color of the arrows by clicking on this box, and you can select any color you want to use. And now you want to simply duplicate this arrow. So once you create your template and everything is good to go, the next step is to go over to pexels.com, as we want to work with only free images so that we can promote this product without having any problems. So once you come over to pexels.com, all you just need to do is to type in dog. So if you do this, as you can see right here, you have access to over 32,000 images that you can use for free without worrying about copyright problem. Okay, so you can see this is where I grabbed some of the images I used in that example. All you simply need to do is to download these images, all right, by clicking on this download button right here. So once you download the image, you want to simply click on the upload section, and you'll be able to upload the image right here. So once you upload the image, all you need to do is to drag the image and drop it like this. So now that our template is almost ready, since this is about dog training, all we need to do is to go over to ChatGPT and get content about dog training. Okay, so you want to come over to ChatGPT and you want to type in something simple like, give me 100 dog training tips. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT gave me 100 tips that I can use to promote this product. All right, so the first thing you want to do from here is to then copy each of these tips, and you want to then go back to your Canva account and you want to paste in the tip right here. So once you paste in the tip and everything looks good, all you simply need to do from here is to click on share, and you want to click on download, and you can download this image to your device right away. Okay, so once you download the first image, the next thing you want to then do from here is to grab the second image and paste it right here. Then you want to go back to ChatGPT and you want to copy the next tip. So once you copy the next tip, all you need to do is to then paste in the second tip like this. So this is a very simple strategy. You can create as many pins as possible every single day. So the next thing you want to do is to come over to Pinterest and you want to create a pin and upload each of those images. And the reason you want to do this is because the more image you upload, the more chances some of them are going to go viral. And if they do, you're going to get a lot of views and a lot of clicks to your affiliate link. And also, I almost forgot, you want to also make sure to add a call to action to your pin, something like this: full training below. So all you need to do is to simply duplicate this. So once you add this call to action at the bottom of the pin, all you just need to do is to download this pin. All right, so I forgot to mention that. So once you upload the pin, you want to then add in a title, as you want to do a little bit of SEO in your title and description, and I'm going to tell you the reason why later on. So you want to type in a very captivating title like this: dog training tips for dog lovers, as obviously those are the people you will be targeting. All right, so now you want to add a description like this: train your dog to its full potential using these proven tips. And now the next step is adding your link, and this is where you want to go back to Digistore24 to copy your affiliate link. So once you copy the link, you have two options. You can either shorten the link or you can create a landing page to promote the link. So you want to then paste in the link right here, and here you want to create a new board, and here you want to type in dog training. So once you do this, you want to click on create, and you want to use this board. So once you do that, that is all you really need to do, and you want to click on this publish button to publish this pin on your account. And now once you do this, you want to post 10 to 20 pins per day on your Pinterest account. And like I said, you can have access to abundance of images from pexels.com that you can use to promote this product. And also you can have ChatGPT provide you with the tips you need to include in these images. So the more content you post on your Pinterest account, the more likely some of them will go viral, and you're going to get a lot of clicks and make a lot of sales. So if you go over to Google and you search for keyword like dog training, you can see just in the US alone, this keyword gets an estimated search volume of 135,000 every single month from USA alone. So you can imagine other countries searching for this keyword as well. And if you go over to the image section, you can see this is where SEO comes in. As you can see, these are Pinterest pins that are currently ranking on Google for this search keyword. This is also another Pinterest pin ranking on Google for this search term. So this is the reason why you want to make sure to do some SEO for your description and title, and also you want to make sure to upload unique and high quality pins. So if you do this, you will definitely be getting some organic traffic from Google as well.